to the home of mathematics. In this video series, we will show you the milestones in the journey of human mathematical discoveries.
Euclid of Alexandria is known as the father of geometry.
Euclid worked at Alexandria most of his lifetime, and died in 270 BC. His Elements is one of the most influential works in the history of mathematics. The Elements introduced mathematical rigor through the axiomatic method and is the earliest example of the format still used in mathematics today, that of definition, axiom, theorem, and proof. Although most of the contents of the Elements were already known, Euclid arranged them into a single, coherent logical framework. The Elements was known to all educated people in the West up through the middle of the 20th century, and its contents are still taught in geometry classes today.
Mr. Euclid, what is a straight line between 2 points A and B?
I am not sure, maybe it is the line with the shortest length.
Can we draw a straight line on the surface of a sphere?
Yes, the shortest lines are those lying on the plane passing through the center of the sphere. We call those lines great circles.
Those are curves, not straight lines.
Well, that's the best we could do on the surface of a sphere.
Mr. Euclid, what is a prime number?
Any number with only two divisors, such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
How many prime numbers are there?
Infinite many. If there is a list of prime numbers, I can always multiply them together and add 1. The new number should not be on the list, nor could it be divided by any number on the list. For example, if we claim that 2, 3, 5, 7 are the only prime numbers, then we can create 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 plus 1 equals 211, which is a prime number. In case 211 is not prime, it will be divided by a prime not on the list. Hence, the list of prime numbers can never be completed.
Mr. Euclid, how can we know that we live in a Euclidean space?
Aha! Draw a big triangle and measure all the angles. If they add up to 180 degrees, then it is Euclidean. Of course, the triangle has to be very big. For instance, 1 point at the pole and 2 points on the equator. Or you can draw a very big circle, and measure the ratio between the circumference and the diameter. If it is equal to pi, then it is Euclidean, and in any non-Euclidean space, this value will be smaller than pi.
Thank you for watching. Talent is important, but how one develops and nurtures it is even more so. See you at the home of mathematics.